We're talking about a point in history where everything hung in the balance. When you're drowning in a sea of intercepted enemy communication, the question is, who is going to process all of the material? The only answer is rapid expansion of the workforce. But where are these people going to come from? And how do you train them in time?
We are working around the clock. They are going to need accommodation. They are going to need food.
I don't think it's possible to overstate the sheer volume of paperwork and information. This needed to happen on an industrial scale. And it needed to happen fast.
Scaling up the Bletchley Park operation could change the whole course of the war.